Hello, this is Dr. Shell, and today I'm going to talk about something called Flutter. Have you heard or do you know what a flutter means? So this is typically an exercise you do when you're trying to locate calcified canals. So I have made a short video here about how to identify or how to go about checking for flutter, and this is typically when you're doing calcified canals. So I'm putting up a pre-op radiograph. I'm going to show you a clinical case where I'm going to demonstrate how to go about doing the flutter. So let's go ahead and do that. So this is a pre-operative shot of the chamber. Look at it, it's calcified. Now when I have this calcification and I think I have an access there, I'm going to take my instrument and place it very gently into the canal opening. And if it engages really tightly and I need to check if I'm in the canal, then look what I do. I strum it like a guitar string and I'm getting what you call a flutter.